Alright guys, this is my Lenovo y430. I do not know if you guys are having the same problem, but my big deal here was every time I took off the AC adapter, the plug from the wall, my computer would just make this horrible sound. It was like this beeping sound. It's like, ah! Horrible, horrible. Anyway, woke me up at night and just completely, like went crazy during class or whatever at school. So anyway, I found a solution finally to it. The reason why I'm not going to prove it to you that it works right now is because I have big problems with my power adapter, and I have another one that I ordered and it's on the way. But anyway, so basically what you want to do is you want to go to Start, Control Panel, and then you want to hit Hardware and Sound, and then you want to go to Sound, and it'll bring up this little screen right over here that says SPDIF interface. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to go into that and then go to supported formats. You want to uncheck everything on here, and then you want to hit levels and you want to turn down the volume and mute the sound. Go to enhancements and uncheck everything on here, and then go to advanced and uncheck the exclusive mode. Hit apply and then OK, and then go to your speakers. On your speakers you go to levels and you take your PC speaker level, not your regular one, just a PC speaker, turn it down all the way and mute it, and then go to enhancements, uncheck everything on here, and then go to advanced and uncheck the exclusive mode. Apply and OK. And I gotta tell you, finally I was able to get rid of that sound. And I had tried everything, I had looked everywhere, and I'd never do videos like this, but I'm gonna do it just because of the fact that, you guys are probably looking for something like that. So I don't know if this will work in all Lenovo models, but this is the Lenovo y430 and it did work. So you guys enjoy that, I guess.